everybody, thank you so much for joining me. This is Dominique with Dainty Budgets, and I'm coming at you all today with my Uber Eats and DoorDash stuffing for the week. So let's go ahead and get started. So this, I've actually made this. It's a little broken. So if one of them fall, just ignore it. So today we're gonna be stuffing $420. Had to think about that for a second. All right, so I wrote everything down. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. And if y'all hear some pots, some clanking around, my husband is actually cooking. So I apologize about that, but I'm happy because for those of you who don't know, I do not like to cook. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that's getting stuffed is car, and car will be getting $100. So 20, 40, 60, 81. Like I said, if one of these fall, just ignore it. Just act like you don't see it. All right, so in total, car has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 90. So $290. And today I actually was at the store and I found these two cute plants. I'm gonna take pictures of them and videos of them and insert it into the video. But yeah, I have some new plant babies that I've added to the collection. So just kind of interested, what are you guys, I guess kind of, I wouldn't say guilty pleasures, but what is that one splurge item that you all have? I wouldn't say mine is necessarily plants because it's not like I'm getting plants every week, but like, what is your thing that you cannot wait to spend your money on, or you don't feel bad for spending your money on it? Mine, I would say, is honestly like candles, plants, anything fashion related. Let me know what you guys is. All right, so in rent, we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30. $230. Ministry will be getting $163. I want to say that's the amount. Yep, 163. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60. And then 1, 2, 3. So now ministry has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. 167. All right, so, wow, I don't want to have to replace this envelope. But am I the only one? When you get new, like, envelopes like this, I know it sounds so weird, but I really like the smell of them. Like, I don't know. Let me know if that's weird. I like the smell of new envelopes. I like the smell of Home Depot. Like, I don't know. I don't know why I like those smells, but when I get a new envelope, I can't explain it. I just really like that smell, which is probably like so unhealthy and probably honestly toxic, but let me know if y'all like the smell of new envelopes. So business is getting 20 today. I haven't stuffed that in a while. So we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. And then fun, and then okay. So So this envelope is completed. All right, on to the sinking funds. So car not getting anything. Health isn't getting anything. Tolls is getting 20, I want to say. Let me just double check. Yep, Tolls is getting 20. So now Tolls has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 285. If I counted that properly, which I'm confident in myself, but it's been a long day. All right, so debt is getting just $10. And I will, hopefully my next video is gonna be my debt video. And I'll just go over that stuff with you all. So debt now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50. $150. Challenge will be getting $10. And then of course, I will count this for you all at the end of the year. Car maintenance is not getting anything. Taxes will be getting $47. And that's all the money I have. All right. Sorry, I was a little out of place, but all right, so taxes now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh my gosh. 5, 20, 40, 60, 86, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. $617. So that is it for today's cash stuffing. I am so happy that you all joined me on this journey. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day. Happy saving. Bye.